According to the philosopher Immanuel Kant, the eyes are not windows. That is, what we think we are seeing, we aren't actually seeing visually with our eyes. Instead, he suggests we have these categories in our brain, such as space and time, that reorientates the things that the eyes are taking in and then gives us a picture of that reality. So we're not actually seeing the cup. I'm not actually seeing the cup. I'm seeing the interpretation of the cup. And science sort of speaks to that anyways, if you think about how light enters through the eye, travels down the optic nerve, and reassembles a picture on the back of your brain inside a dark skull is where you are seeing what you think you're seeing. It's really interesting philosophy.